Welcome back to our Lean Revolution saga. Chapter 2. Wastes and how to fight them. Procedure cleanup. A short exercise. Before we start, I invite you to watch the video to the end, because at the conclusion, I'll show you how you can get a free copy of this ebook. Ready? Let's go! In the recent videos, we talked about the clutter in procedures caused by archaic terms, company names, logos, revision history, and other elements. We also reviewed a typical set of sections in procedures with lots of duplications. The purpose repeated the title of the procedure. The reference documents, the responsibilities, and the definitions clauses reiterated the text and contained discrepancies with the procedure steps. If you missed those clips where we discussed these troublemakers, step back and catch up. You may find all the audiobook clips in the playlist. Just click the link below. Learning a new skill will pay dividends in the future. A Chinese proverb. So let's follow this Chinese wisdom and learn some new skills. Since we reviewed a few waste categories in procedures, let's do a short exercise using a sample procedure. You can find a link to the file on our website. In this exercise, we'll work only with the cover page and sections 1 through 4. Here's the exercise. Review the content of the procedure and look for the waste categories that we already discussed. Think about what information is not value-added and how to eliminate it. Kill all the waste to reduce the word count in the procedure by at least 50%. Just a hint, pay attention to company name and logo, document number, wordiness of the title, revision history, purpose, reference documents, and responsibility sections. When you finish your edits, use our template procedure to record your solution. The link to the free download of the template is below, so give it a try. It'll be fun. And don't forget to mail me your answer. If you pass the test, I'll be happy to send you a copy of the ebook. If you're too busy or not convinced that the exercise is worth your time, wait for the next video. I'll show you my answer to the test. Before you go, click the subscribe button on the right below, so you'll not miss the exercise solution. This concludes our procedure cleanup exercise topic. If you can't wait for the following videos, or you would prefer to read the book at your own pace, click the links below to buy a paperback or ebook copy. Thank you for listening, and until next time.